Ready, start. The concurrent findings of the courts below do not warrant any interference. Full stop. Annexure P3 produced in IA number 101620 of 2023 is the complaint made by PW5 before the ACB. Full stop. In the complaint, the allegation was that the second accused, when he came for inspection to the shop of the complainant, demanded an amount of rupees 200 for approving maps, etc., and also spoke of the necessity to give money to the concerned clerk. Full stop. The complainant then offered to speak to the accused in their office, when the first accused demanded rupees 500, rupees 300 for himself and rupees 200 for the second accused. Full stop. The complainant protested, expressing inability to pay such an amount, and eventually, the first accused agreed to settle for rupees 400. Full stop. The complainant agreed to pay the amount on the very next day, that is 30/6/1994, and straightway approached the ACB. Full stop. In the deposition before court, PW5 submitted that while the second accused visited his shop, he demanded rupees 200 to 400 for expenses. Full stop. The second accused also asked him to meet both the accused next day in the office, where the first accused is stated to have asked for money, the exact amount of which, the complainant deposed, he was not sure of. Full stop. The complainant then submits that the matter was settled for rupees 400 and he had approached the ACB immediately thereafter. Full stop. We have given annexous consideration to the evidence led. Full stop. There are glaring inconsistencies insofar as the amount of money demanded. Full stop. Further, in cross-examination, PW5 again admitted that he does not remember the exact amount demanded by the second accused. Full stop. Hence, in the deposition before court, the complainant was not able to speak of the exact amount demanded by the first accused or the second accused, contrary to his assertion made in the complaint. Full stop. The discrepancies raise serious doubts as to the demand having been made. Full stop. Insofar as the trap is concerned, PW1 and 2 are the independent witnesses, government employees, who were accompanying the trap team. Full stop. PW1 stated that when he entered the scene of crime, which was the office room, two currency notes of rupees 100 were lying scattered on the ground, which he picked up on demand made by the officers of the ACB. Full stop. He also deposed that the first accused had made a statement that the currency notes fell down from the hands of the complainant. Full stop. He categorically, stated in cross-examination by the prosecutor, after being declared hostile, that he did not see the physical transaction of bribe. Full stop. PW2, the other independent witness, also stated that he went into the scene of crime only after the complainant signaled. Full stop. He also, hence, was not a witness to the handing over of the money. Full stop. According to him, the second accused was sitting in a chair and currency notes of rupees 100 was lying on the side of the chair on which the second accused was sitting, and the second accused feigned ignorance as to how the notes were placed there. Full stop. According to PW2, it was the statement of the complainant that he had given rupees 400 to the first accused. Full stop. He, specifically, denied in the cross-examination by the prosecutor, that any statement was made by the complainant, that after handing over of rupees 400 to the first accused, the first accused handed over rupees 200 to the second accused. Full stop. PW6 was an employee of the district supply office who also turned hostile. Full stop. He spoke of the scuffle that ensued when the complainant tried to thrust the money into the pocket of the accused. Full stop. PW3, the inspector included in the trap team deposed that after the complainant gave the signal, the trap team moved into the office room wherein the complainant had stated that he had given the first accused rupees 400 and rupees 200 was handed over by the first accused to the second accused, which currency notes were put by both accused in their pant pocket. Full stop. PW3 had specifically stated that when he went inside the office room, PW4 constable and an independent witness was inside the room. Full stop. The name of the independent witness is not specified, but we have already seen that both the independent witnesses who accompanied the trap team turned hostile. Full stop. According to PW4 constable, he had accompanied the complainant into the room and had witnessed the entire transaction. Full stop. However, PW1 independent witness who was with the constable has specifically stated in his deposition that both of them entered the room after the complainant gave the signal, which was after the money had passed hands. Full stop. The complainant gave the signal only after the alleged handing over of money and receipt of the license.